Okay, now, Mr. Namick, let me go over this document with you. This is cause number 328948, State of Texas versus Christopher Namick. That's your full name, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Namick, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Namick, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Namick?
All right.
That's good. Now, Mr. Namick, the document that you have before you is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. Do you see that title?
Yes, sir.
I will go over these bond conditions with you. And it reads, following the arrest and or accusation in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim, Anthony Green. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, condition number 4 only applies in DWI second cases. Your case is an assault, so it's not a DWI second, so that condition doesn't apply to you. Now, Mr. Namick,
Yes, sir.
if you fail to adhere to these bond conditions, your bond can be forfeited and a warrant can be issued for your arrest, and you can be placed in a county jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Namick, please stand on the X to the far left.